Africa Finance.
Best African Bank has emerged. Global Finance has announced the annual award for the world's best banks. In its recent press release, the organization listed 36 honorees and countries in Africa. Among all banks in Africa, Standard Bank emerged as the overall best bank in Africa. The best bank in each country was also published. For example, Access Bank emerged winner in both Ghana and Gambia, NCBA in Kenya, Zenith Bank in Nigeria, and Standard Bank in South Africa. In its annual award, winners are chosen in more than 150 countries and territories across Africa, Asia-Pacific, the Caribbean, Central America, Central and Eastern Europe, Latin America, the Middle East, North America, and Western Europe. In the press release, it stated that the objective criteria considered included growth in assets, profitability, geographic reach, strategic relationships, new business development, and innovation in products. Subjective criteria included the opinions of equity analysts, credit rating analysts, banking consultants, and others involved in the industry. In a separate report, it listed 3 banks as the best treasury and cash management providers in 2022 in Africa. These banks are EcoBank, Standard Bank, and Rand Merchant Bank. EcoBank was awarded the best bank for cash management as well as the best provider of short-term investments and money market funds. Standard Bank was awarded best bank for liquidity management, and Rand Merchant Bank was awarded the best bank for payments and collections. Winners will be honored at an awards ceremony to be held during the IMF/World Bank annual meetings in Washington, D.C. on October 15, 2022. Afreximbank records profit growth of 10%. The African Export-Import Bank, Afreximbank, has released its consolidated financial statements for the year ended 2021. The bank's results show strong growth and resilience, with interest income from loans exceeding $1 billion. The Afreximbank is a Pan-African multilateral trade finance institution created in 1993 for Africa. It was established to facilitate, stimulate, and develop African trade. The bank works with various export credit agencies, development finance institutions, and banks to support trade finance activities in Africa. The Afreximbank Group's total assets grew by 13.4% from $19.3 billion at the end of 2020 to $22 billion at the end of 2021. This growth was achieved from growth in net loans and advances which were issued within the year. Its loan portfolio grew by 11.5%. The bank's net income increased by 10.1% from $351.7 million in 2020 to $387.3 million in 2021, mainly due to solid growth in operating income in 2021. However, the inclusion of 2 new subsidiaries lowered the group's profitability to $375.8 million. The president and chairman of the board of directors, Professor Benedict Orama, in his reflection, stated that 2021 was a challenging year with continued economic and business disruptions caused by the pandemic, including continued supply chain disruptions, delayed access to the COVID-19 vaccines, and rising global prices. Throughout 2021, the bank remained focused on proactively and aggressively supporting the fight against COVID-19 in Africa by acting as a financial and transaction advisor, guarantor, payment agent, and installment payment facility provider under the $2 billion Advance Procurement Commitment (APC) guarantee facility, which supported Africa Vaccine Acquisition Trust (AVAT) to secure 400 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines for the continent, with 220 million doses committed in parallel. We maintain strong support for financial institutions, corporates, and our member states in other areas. In concluding, he indicated that the bank will remain focused on delivering on the priorities set under its new plan. Thank you for joining Africa Finance. Please like, follow us, and subscribe to our media channels.